Yeah, 8 pieces, so 7.5 long.
You did 7.5 centimeters.
I find it's easier going a little faster. Of course.
Here, why don't you try all three? Try this one.
See what you do is you
I
put
got
your
7.5 inches.
hand beside.
How's your line, baby? Getting closer. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it needs paying attention. Yes. Check your lines, baby. Take out the saw. Blow it clean. How do you think you're doing?
I'm not
Yeah.
penetrating that line.
That's good. What do you think about this project? Okay.
Yep, it's in the hole.
What do you think?
I don't think I can put it back anymore.
Okay. What's the next step in the instruction?
Let's see. Kind of did.
Maybe he has them up here. Oh, here they are, right here. There you go. You're welcome. Charlotte? Yours?
Thanks again.
You are welcome.
It was a good activity.
Very good, baby.
There are yours.
Huh?
There's yours there.
Ready for the birds?
We are ready for the birds.
All right.
Now I need 2 hands. What did you say, baby?
Do we keep the instructions
Yep.
for it?
Keep the instructions.
Okay, take your goggles off.
The goggles we'll keep for the next time you come.
And your apron.
Very nice.
Can't take this off.
There you go, you got it.
What?
You finished.
Does it open? Show me. Show me. Oh, nice. Oh, you're putting your badge in there, eh?
You didn't want to take home screws for here?
It's got enough screws in it.
You sure? I mean, I got them here.
Sure, might as well take them. Baby, what are you thinking? Thank you, Judy. Very nice.